Hello everyone, in this video you'll be learning how to block users on Telegram. Perhaps there are users you find annoying on Telegram. There are users that have crossed the line on Telegram and you like to just block them. In this video you'll learn how to block users on Telegram in just few minutes. You want to ensure your Telegram app is up to date, and if it's up to date, let's state for the Telegram app. In the app, you want to extract for the user you want to block. So let's find a random user here, and let's click on this. Now, assuming this is the user you want to block, this user, you find the user's message offensive and you don't like the messages, you just want to block them. So this is what you're going to do. So just click on person's name. As soon as you do that, you find the three button here, the three dots, you click on that, and from there you can find block user. All you need to do is just to block the user. So you just need to click on this, and the moment you do that, now the pop-up will ask you if you want to block the user. Then all you need to do is just to block the user. All right, that's how it works when you want to block a user on Telegram. So let me know what you think about this video, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. Look forward to seeing you in other videos. Bye for now.